today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Premise app to earn money in 2020 and find out how to use the Premise app and how does the Premise app work and how we can use it to earn money. And if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share videos on how to make money online. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and which is every single day. And today I have another fun question to ask you guys. I'm located in the US, and I know a lot of my people from my audience is located in different countries. So I'm just going to go ahead and ask, if you had the option to choose two types of foods, what would you prefer, pizza or hamburger? Just those two options. Those are the only options. What would you prefer? I think I would prefer hamburgers, but I don't know. Let's see what the audience thinks. Okay, so I'm just doing this to interact with you guys a little bit more and get to know my audience a little bit more. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to these app. Now we are currently in our Google Play Store. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link to this app in the description below this video. So if this is something that you are interested in doing, just scroll down and you'll find this link. You can tap on it or click on it and you'll be directed to this page. But before we get started, I did want to mention that these opportunities that I share with you to make money online, it's always, most of them require for you to be trading your time for money all the time, and you only get paid for the amount of time that you actually invest in whatever it is that you do. But if you are interested in creating a sustainable passive income stream for yourself and your family, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. That's where I share my #1 source of income stream online. And if you are interested, go ahead and click on that first link and I will be sharing more information in regards to that with you. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into this app. Like I said, this is what the logo looks like, and this app has been rated at 3.9 stars out of 5, and it has been rated by over 50,000 people. And you will find people's reviews right here if you're interested in learning a little bit more about other people's experiences. You can come and read this, and if you end up trying out this app and you want to get in contact with the developers because you're having any issues, you have any suggestions, concerns, or any questions, this is the place where you will find the information. You'll find a website and then also the email address where you can contact the developers if you are having any issues with this app. If you end up using it, you can contact them directly and they can solve your problem. Now here I'm not gonna play the video for copyright reasons, but it looks like this app is available worldwide. That's my understanding from looking at this app. It has different like pinpoints and stuff, so I would say this app is available worldwide, but we're gonna find out once we read and once we take a look at the images and stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at it so we can find out how we can use this app, how we can use the Premise app to earn money, and how does the Premise app work. Okay, now it says complete task and earn money. Okay, and then it says congratulate. Okay, that's somebody somebody that took a picture and they earned $5. Okay, so it says over $1.5 million paid worldwide. Okay, so now that tells us that it is available worldwide right here. And then it says complete surveys, so I guess you can do like different tasks, either take a picture, I want to say, because that's what this girl is doing right here, right? She's taking a picture, and then you can complete a surveys as well to earn money. And then it says take photos of your city. Okay, yeah, Share local knowledge. Okay, so I guess report on new construction. Okay, so if we look here, it says report on new construction, report on dirty conditions in your area, report on a busy commercial area, report on poor road conditions. Okay, so I guess you can actually like report things in your city. Wow, that's great. That's awesome. You know, that would be a great option if you find that there are any issues or any things going on in your area. That would be great. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and dive into the about section and actually read so we can find out a little bit more on how we can use this app and how does it work. Okay, so it says earn money by completing simple tasks and get paid, share an opinion to or take photos in and around your city to earn cash rewards through PayPal or Bitcoin. Premise is a task marketplace app that helps you earn money for simple tasks. Take paid surveys, share local information like construction zones or price of milk, and share pictures of your city to earn rewards. Making money with Premise is really that simple. Okay, Premises tasks feature local questions and surveys relevant to your city. Get cash for sharing information important to you and the people in your neighborhood. It's like getting paid for doing a public service. Okay, sounds good to me. Okay, Premises and task marketplace is always growing, which means there are tasks for everyone. Earn money every day by sharing your local knowledge and Premise contributor. Take surveys for money, share local information, and earn with Premise. Download now. Okay, Premise features. It says map your community. Get cash while you capture what's happening in your community. Earn rewards for sharing insights that reflect your reality, your thoughts, and your community. Make real money sharing information relevant to your city, from traffic jams to local events to supermarket sales. Earn real money. Earn money from tasks and photos. Choose tasks that fit your lifestyle based on how much time you have. Earn money when you do more. Share your opinion. Get paid for your insights. Your opinion matters. Page surveys for organizations and community leaders that value your feedback. Premise makes it easy to capture and share your thoughts. Make an impact. Earn real money by sharing real data to drive real change. Join Premise growing network of thousands of contributors around the world. Complete tasks every day to help make policies, products, and services better for everyone. Earn money by sharing local information, your opinion, and survey answers with Premise today. Task availability is based on the needs of organizations we are working with and can change frequently. Thank you for being a Premise contributor. If you need help, email us support@premise.com and learn more. They do have a website here. So yeah, that is the information about the app. Now we have a better knowledge as to how this app works and how we can use this app to earn money. So if this is something that you are interested in, like I said, I will leave the link to this app in the description below this video. If you're interested, just go ahead and check it out and let us know how it goes. I don't have any personal experience with this, so I would not be able to share any personal experience, but if you do have experience, or if you know of anybody who have had any experience, don't hesitate to leave that in the comments below this video. That way we can all learn a little bit more about this app, and it helps everybody in the community to learn a little bit more. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and help us reach to our 1,000 subscribers before the end of April. Right now we are already in April and we're slowly but surely growing and getting there. So I'm thinking about preparing something pretty exciting for the point when we reach to our 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when I'll release a video on something an awesome giveaway that I want to do by the time we reach to our 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And stay tuned for that. And if you found a value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to share it in your other social media platforms. Share it with your friends and family members. If you have family members who like to do freelance work, share this opportunity with them. I'm going to go ahead and link other videos up here in the card here for freelance opportunities. If you're into doing freelance and setting your own schedule and stuff like that, this playlist is going to be really helpful to you, and go ahead and check it out. And yeah, that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time, and like I said, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the video and it helps our channel. It helps YouTube to understand this information was helpful, and it can share this video to more people, and so that way more people gain the knowledge about these opportunities that are out there to earn money online, if that is something that they want to do. And like I said, that is all that I have. Thank you so much for your time, and until next time.